In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable click tracking in Postmark. First, a quick primer so the rest makes sense. Click tracking lets you see when recipients interact with links in your emails. Postmark does this by momentarily routing each link through its tracking domain, click.tstmrk.it, before sending people to the original URL you included. The destination you set stays the destination your recipients reach. Postmark just records the click along the way. This gives you reliable engagement data without changing your content or where links ultimately land. One thing to keep in mind is that some security tools may pre-check links, which can appear as clicks in any email platform's reports. That's normal, and it's helpful context when interpreting your metrics. Now, let's turn it on at the server level so every email from that server is tracked by default. In your Postmark dashboard, choose the server you want to use. This is important if you separate your transactional and broadcast traffic or manage multiple environments, because the setting applies to that specific server. Once you've selected it, head to Settings. Scroll down until you find the Link Tracking section. There, toggle the Track Links option to On. That's the switch that enables click tracking for this server. Right below the toggle, you'll choose the default tracking behavior. You have three options: HTML and text tracks, links in both HTML and plain text parts of your emails. This is the safest pick if you send well-formatted HTML emails, but also include a plain text version for accessibility and deliverability. HTML only tracks links only in the HTML part, which is useful if you keep your plain text part intentionally minimal or want to avoid any rewriting there. Text only tracks links just in the plain text part, which can make sense for simple, text-focused messages. If you're unsure, HTML and text is a solid default because it covers both versions and ensures you don't miss clicks from recipients whose email clients prefer plain text. Once you save that setting, you're done. All emails sent from this server will have link tracking enabled according to your chosen default, unless you specifically override it in an individual message. Only actual hyperlinks are tracked. In plain text emails, that typically means full URLs that the client recognizes as links. From here, you'll see click data alongside your regular Postmark engagement metrics, helping you understand which links are resonating and where to focus your optimization efforts. That's all it takes to enable click tracking in Postmark at the server level, giving you clear, consistent insight into how recipients interact with your emails.